So I have this hot plate for keeping food warm, and it is not working. It has just a simple rheostat to control its temperature and an indicator light. This is the brand name. This is what it looks like. So it's not turning on. I'll have to open it up and see what is going on. So it can be easily opened by removing a few screws. Under this heat shield is a thermal fuse. I'm going to check the connectivity, that is resistance across this, to see if it is working or damaged. So as you can see, the resistance is not changing, which means that this fuse, this thermal fuse, needs to be replaced. This fuse is available on eBay for around $2. So connecting the new fuse is easy. All you have to do is cut this old fuse from both ends and twist and turn the new one in place and then solder it. So if you don't know soldering, then you should ask for help. Otherwise, it's pretty easy. So I ordered these from eBay and they came in a pack of 10. So I'll just be using one of these. They came from China and didn't take that long and cost less than $4. So now I'm going to install the new fuse. I have removed the old one. I am twisting and turning and making sure that the new fuse is attached firmly to both ends of the wires and then soldering it in place. Then I'll cover it with the existing heat shield. So I've put the thermal fuse here. Now I will put the heat shield, which is the glass wool, here and then back it up. So after closing everything, I have connected and it is powering on. And if I turn the thermostat knob, you can see the green light which shows heating. So here is the temperature, 82. So it has started heating up. It is going to take a while. So I have confirmed with the laser thermometer. The temperature is around 115 degree F at this time, so it is working properly. Thanks for watching.